In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you get community tab on your YouTube channel. Let's get started. First, launch your YouTube, then click on the profile icon given at the top right. Now navigate to the option YouTube Studio. Now head over to this section, Settings. Now click on the option Channel. Under this, you're going to find this section of Feature Eligibility. Click on that. Now click on this drop down for Advanced Features. Before you can access that, you must first complete the requirements for standard and intermediate features, which usually include verifying your phone number. After that, you will be able to proceed with advanced verification. YouTube may ask you to choose one of three methods: video verification using your phone, uploading a valid ID, or automatic verification if your channel already has a strong history and good standing on the platform. After you complete the advanced feature verification, it may take up to 48 hours for the community tab to appear on your channel. After it's activated, you'll be able to post updates, create polls, share images, and interact directly with your subscribers through the community section. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.